So there are 3 pools here. You've got your Diamond Club pool, you've got your relaxing pool, and this is your activities pool. So it's still a little early in the morning right now, and they don't have everything fired up just yet, but this will be a hub of activity throughout the day at the resort. So to take a look at the entirety of the activities pool, got a jacuzzi, but you can just see the sheer size of it. And of course, you got to have a swim up bar as well, right? And this is a look at the Diamond Club pool here at Royalton Splash. And ahead of you there, you've got bubbles, swim bar, lovely pool loungers, cushions. And on the other side of the Diamond Club pool, you have another larger pool. This is for all guests. And they also share the pool bar there, bubbles. Same elevated sun loungers here with the cushions. I really like that. This is the big, beautiful pool. So adjacent to that large pool that we just looked at, we have a smaller pool here. This is much more shallow. This is just 0.3 meters. So this is a pool for your youngest travelers or those that may not be as confident in the water. This is just a shallow little splash area for them to enjoy. This is a look at the entire water park here from the entranceway. My left was your larger slides. Wave pool was in the center, and now you've got a smaller splash pad area for your littlest vacationers. Lots of dumping buckets. I love those. You've got twisting slides. You've got racing slides. And lots of seating in here. So if you're a guest at Royalton Splash and you'd like to get to the beach, you can do that over at the Royalton Punta Cana. There are golf carts that will drive you over there, but I'm really enjoying this walk here. So this is Nature's Walk. You can see some of the local wildlife here. You've got ducks and all sorts of birds, iguanas. And this is the walk over to Royalton Punta Cana. Look at those kitties. I've made my way down to the beach. Big, beautiful beach. Not too wavy, but just enough to let you know that you're in the ocean. Lots of palapas down here. Water activities as well. I can see a parasailer in the distance. This is the beautiful beach. Like this little courtyard area here, this is where you'll find 2 of the restaurants, the Mexicana Cantina. You'll find the Bellini Bar and Bella Cucina restaurant and this lovely courtyard. And it's worth noting that there is a no reservation system here at Royalton Splash. It is first come, first serve. So if you do have a little bit of a wait, this is a wonderful little courtyard where you can hang out and wait before your meal, grab a drink. They have a margarita station that will be set up here later in the day, as well as a taquito station if you got a little bit of a craving before dinner. Selections is the buffet here at Royalton Splash. It is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's take a look inside. I'm down here at selections at breakfast time, so I'm just going to show a little bit of the food selections. We got some already prepared foods, eggs, hard-boiled eggs, like honey glazed ham, bacon, potatoes, and another deli meat, bread, olive, and of course some cheeses. Located within selections, there is a section for Diamond Club members. Take a look. Good variety of seating available. I always like to say tables for 2, tables for 4, tables for more. Under the Sea is another one of the a la carte restaurants here, open for dinner. This offers international cuisine. Let's take a look inside. As I walk into Under the Sea, you can see the beautiful wine collection that's available. Really love the decor here. Imagine at nighttime, when the lights are on, they'll be shining off those glass pieces. Better throughout this restaurant. Lots of table varieties as well. This is Under the Sea. Beans Cafe is the coffee shop. Let's take a look inside. If you're looking for coffee, espresso, cappuccino, or a light snack, you can get that here in Beans. And a great selection of little snacks as well. Yeah. And this is the wonderful lobby and reception area here at Royalton Splash. On the one side, you have the excursion desk. Ahead of me is the Diamond Club Lounge. And here you have reception, your front desk, check in, check out. And as I continue to pan around, a lovely lobby bar. And for guests that are staying in Diamond Club, they have their own private lounge and reception area. So this is where you will check in as a Diamond Club guest. Wonderful team down here. Great seating. Elevated bar menu. And of course, after a long day traveling, you're probably a little hungry. So they've got a wonderful spread of food as well. This is your Diamond Club Lounge. The kids club, called the Clubhouse, is open for 4 to 12-year-olds. Let's take a look inside. So just taking a quick look at the inside of Kids Club, one of the areas they're not using right now because this is an open and active Kids Club area. This might be one of your children's favorites, but it's like a slide in here with a giant ball pit. Some crafting tables. And I really like this as well. I love the fact that they have an outdoor play area as well with some slides and climbers. This is a quick look at the Kids Club space. Hangout is the teens club space. This is open 13 to 17-year-olds. So let's take a look inside. And this is the Hangout. Got some tables and chairs, some games that are available, ping pong table. It's a great spot for your teens to come chill out, maybe get out of the sun, enjoy some air conditioning. And probably most importantly, at least in my eyes, is maybe meet some new friends. It's one of my favorite parts about coming on vacation is meeting people from all over the world. And this is an opportunity for your teens to make some new friends as well. Located between the main pool, the activities pool, and the water park, you have the Plaza. This is where a lot of activities take place during the day. You can see the escape room that just passed by. Got a big screen here as well. So this space is used, again, to keep everyone active and having fun and engaged throughout the day. Lots of activities. Sometimes there's a bit of a circus down here as well, circus acts. Again, this is a great spot to come down if you need a little break from the sun and enjoy some fun activities. This is the Plaza. And if you're looking to stay active during your vacation, play some racket sports, you've got 2 tennis courts right here. And I believe there's some pickleball over there. Let's take a look. And as pickleball continues to grow in popularity around the world, they made the decision here to take out one of the tennis courts and replace it with 3 dedicated pickleball courts. So if you're a pickleballer and I know you're out there, give me a call. We can get you set up here at Royalton Splash, Royalton, Punta Cana. 3 dedicated pickleball courts. It's a beautiful fountain in the distance there. And I just wanted to quickly show some of the grounds here at Royalton Splash. All of the buildings are 3 stories, nothing taller. And it's worth noting that there are no elevators to these buildings, but only a couple flights of stairs and you'll be back up to your room if you're on one of the top floors.